Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video on Salesforce Bolt. So guys, in today's video, I will show you how you can implement the drag and drop functionality into your Lightning Web Component. So guys, you can use drag and drop at multiple places. Let's say if you just want to move elements from one place to another, or maybe you need to sort something, or maybe you just need to change the position. So it could be any requirement. So guys, in today's example, I will be creating a basic drag and drop functionality, and using that drag and drop functionality, I will be reordering rows in a custom table in Lightning Web Component. And guys, for this, we won't be using any external CSS. That will be pure HTML and JavaScript only. So in this example, I will create a table and I will reorder the rows using the drag and drop functionality. Okay. So as always, just to save time, I have already created the component, so I will be just explaining the code in this. Okay, so let me share the uh, HTML first. Okay, all right guys. So guys, as always, I will be having the complete functionality on my blog also. So let me just explain the code. So guys, in the HTML side, we are not having much cool stuff here. We are just having a simple list of elements, list of accounts basically. And here we are having few functions and few things you have to notice here, like we are using index functionality here just to get the index of the row. Okay, we are using on change, draggable, on drop, on drag start, on drag over. And if you will notice, so I have used these functions on this table row tag because I will reorder table rows here, so that's why I have used it on row tag. And apart from that guys, if you will notice, I'm using index and title as well. Okay, and if I go to td columns, so here in this td I'm using the index as well because so basically guys, how this is going to work, so we will be using the start index, or it could be the current index of the row. And apart from it, we need the drop index also, like where it is going to start the drag and where it is going to drop that element. So that's why I will be using these index here. Okay, and guys, in my org for the same, I have created 5 accounts here. So you may see I have given the account name account 1 2 3 4 5 just for this example, so I can just show you the drag and drop functionality and it would be easy to understand, and you may definitely modify the code and use it as per your requirement. Okay, let's move to the JavaScript part. So guys, in JavaScript part, I'm having a variable here which is drag start, and at the top I'm just importing the list of accounts. I'm having array of element list here because guys, the array is an important part here because to move the rows we will be using array dot splice. So I mean, if you're using array dot splice, so definitely we need an array, so that's why I'm using an array here. And on page load, I'm just loading my list of account, and if it get the result, then I'm transferring the value to the array itself. Okay, and if you'll notice, I'm using too many logs here because during the development, actually I'm used to create logs just to track the process, like where it is going, where I am right now, what value I'm getting. So you may use the same in your development also. I may not put them on my blog. Maybe I'll be putting the code uh, without these debug logs. Okay, so guys, in drag start, what we are doing here, we are getting event.target.title. So if you remember, we have used the target in title. Sorry, we have used the index in title. So guys, basically we will be getting the index here. Okay, and apart from it, on drag over, we are not doing much stuff here. On drag drop event, so here guys, the all cool stuff is here. So here I'm just getting the start variable using this dot drag start, which we have received on this function, which was drag start. And apart from it, I'm getting the drop value as well, which will be event.target.title, which is still the index of that TD row, guys. This was not from TR, because while you will be dragging the element, you may drop it on element itself. You may not drop it on row directly, because definitely your element will be above the row. So you may drop it on element itself. So that's why I have used the title or index on that element also. So first I'm checking if the drag value and drop value is same, so it should not perform any action. And if it is not, then I'm just getting current index, new index, and I'm using array.splice functionality to reorder the array values here basically. Okay, and we are having few more locks here just to check current index and new index. Then I'm using this array.move function here to move the current index to the new index. Okay, so guys, this I think this was but this was very easy functionality just to drag and drop. Let me show you the output now. Okay, so guys, you may see the table here. uh, don't judge me by the design, because it was just for the demo purpose only. So the rows are not in correct sorting. Okay, so we'll be sorting these rows based on the drag and drop functionality. I don't like if you would like to sort it using the drag and drop, or maybe I don't know like when you will be getting these kind of requirement, but when you will get this kind of requirement, then you are having this video ready for you. Okay, so let's say I have to reorder it in ascending order. So account 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 should be the correct order. Please ignore the sample account. I have not created it. So, and you will also notice like on hover, you are getting the title or the index, what we were having there. So let's start moving. So it is start our drag start, and this will be the drop. So you may see the row has been reordered here now. So when I will pick account 2, it will take the current location and it will go to the new location. See how easy it is. So guys, that's how you may reorder thing. You may reorder it other ways as well. Let's say if I would like to put the account on instead of number 3, or maybe 5 on number 3. So you may do it upside down, or maybe in ascending order or in descending order. I mean, it's up to you. Okay, so guys, that was the drag and drop functionality, and I will be posting the complete code on my blog itself, which is salesforcebold.com. So guys, do check that out. Feel free to modify the code, guys, as per your requirement. And if you enjoyed today's video, guys, subscribe to the channel will be awesome. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.